How to fix Wolt app not working. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So if you don't know how to fix Wolt app not working, this video is for you. All you need to do first is to open your Wolt app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here, and then once you've opened it, you'll see discover Wolt. That's the first thing you're going to see at the top left corner of your screen. So there's a picture of a map here showing where Wolt is. So on the map, you're going to see several Wolts in several countries. You discover several Wolts in several countries or city on the map. You can take a thorough look at it to see the very particular one that is the nearest to you. And once you've seen it, you click on it and make your order. At the lower part of the screen also, we have icons like discovery icon, restaurant icon, and we have stores icon, we have the search icon and the profile icon. Now to fix what app not working, all you need to do is to click on the profile icon, which is the last icon on the row. Once you've clicked on it, you wait for the page to load, and once the page has been displayed on your screen, the first thing you see is a round circle at the top left corner of your screen showing your name and your surname. It also shows if you have any order or not. Also, you see tokens and credits, so you can use, if you have tokens and credits, you can use it on Wolt app. The other things you also see here are you can invite your friends to Wolt app to use Wolt app with you. You can also enter promo code. If you have a promo code, you can as well use that option. And then you can contact customer support. You also have settings and so on. So now to fix what app not working, you can just go through the page till you see the option to fix what app not working. If you don't see the option what app not working, you can contact customer support, that is here, and you'll be directed to a virtual agent. You'll be directed to a virtual agent who will tell you what to do. So at the lower part of your screen, you see the option write a reply. Once you click on the option write a reply, you can just type in your question. Fix what app not working. So once you want to see send it, you use the send icon to send it. So once you've sent it, you'd wait for a reply to be given to you, and here you have to be patient because there are times that you send it to the virtual agent and it will not be seen here yet, just like it's telling me that it has not been seen. So you wait once the answers or the instructions have been displayed on your screen, ensure you follow the instructions on your screen so that you'll be able to successfully fix what app not working. So this is simply how to fix what app not working. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.